Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Some Applications of Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30° with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So guys, looking at this question looks to be very easy one. So let us try to find out how we are going to move ahead. Now we are going to draw a triangle. We are going to draw a triangle assuming that AB is the broken part of the tree and AC, the broken part to the top of the tree that is broken, it touched to the ground. So from A to C it touched to the ground, and once it touched to the ground it is making an angle 30°. So as per the question it is said that this is making an angle 30° after touching to the ground. So this particular angle is 30°. This is 30° guys as per the question. Now let us quickly once again check the question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30° with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this B point is the foot of the tree and C is the top that touches the ground. So this is 8 meter. That is what we have considered. Find the height of the tree. Now we are going to find out the height of this broken part of the tree, AB. So what we are going to do now, we are going to write let the height of the tree. Guys, this is the broken part of the tree. Let the height of the tree, broken part of the tree, is equal to AB. Now guys, the question is asking us to find out the height of the tree. Now if you look here, what is being given? Here it is being given that BC, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meter. So that part is given. Now what the main concern is, which formula we are going to use. Are we going to use sin theta or cos theta or tan theta? So guys, here we can use we cannot use sin theta and cos theta because sin theta and cos theta involves hypotenuse, that is AC. We do not know the distance between A and C or the length of the A and C. Just we know BC and we know the angle theta. So let us use tan theta because tan theta is dependent upon the two sides of the triangle without hypotenuse. So now I can write, let us take the help of tan theta. Now let us apply tan theta to the triangle ACB. So I can write tan C here because C is the theta or the angle. Tan C is equal to AB upon BC. Guys, we very well know this thing by this time. Or I can write tan 30°, or I can write tan 30° is equal to AB. AB we do not know. We will keep it as it is upon BC. BC is 8 meter. Or I can write tan 30°, guys. We very well know that tan 30°. What is tan 30°? Tan 30° is 1 upon root 3. So I can write 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon 8. Or doing a cross multiplication, I can write 8 is equal to AB root 3. Or I can write I can write AB is equal to, or AB is equal to 8 upon root 3. 8 upon root 3. This is what we got. So this is what, because we know 8 meter is the distance between the foot of the tree to the top of the tree where it had fallen to the ground. Now the distance of the broken tree is AB is equal to 8 upon root 3. So this is what we are looking for, and we can therefore say, as the question is telling us find the height of the tree. So we can write therefore the height of the tree, therefore the height of the tree is 8 upon root 3 meter. Hope guys you understood this, or this process, or this calculation that we did to find out the height of the tree? This is very simple and very easy. Just we need to follow the diagram and we need to move ahead. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.